Yes.
Thanks to Uber, I'm up 12% in my entire account today.
Ben, get some. That's what I'm talking about.
That makes 5 days in a row I'm green on my entire account for the 2-minute EWO.
Oh my gosh, Ben. I got some for you since you've been riding that donkey to outer space. Are you ready, my friend?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Let's do it. This one's for Ben. So happy for you, man. It's starting to click. You hear, Ben? 5 days in a row using our 2-minute EWO strategy, 5 green days in a row. Woo!